Hello students, in the previous class we have discussed the questions answers of the passive of activity 1 and 2 was being discussed. So today we are going to discuss activity number 3. So what is the first question of the activity number 3? The first question is, originally this novel write in Hindi but it translates into Odia in 1985. So as I have told you, first of all try to think what is the tense of this sentence. So this is written past form. So here the answer is, originally this novel was written in Hindi but it was translated into Odia in 1985. Cheese made from milk. So this is a truth. Okay. So here definitely this is present tense. So answer is cheese is made from milk. There was an accident this afternoon. Somebody called an ambulance, but as nobody injured, the ambulance not required. So try to find out the tense. Tense is in past form. There was an accident this afternoon. Somebody called an ambulance, but as nobody was injured. The ambulance not required. The ambulance was not required. Okay. Next question number D. The office is in a mess. The telephone never answer. Not proper records skip. And worst of all, no reports write. So here, what is the tense? So normally it is in, the sentence is in present tense. So what will be the answer? The office is in a mess. The telephone is never answer. Is never answer. Nor proper records keep are kept. And worst of all, no reports are written. Next question. A 3-year-old girl who hid in a sack while her mother was picking potatoes run over by a tractor at a farm in Karnataka. So run over. So this is past tense. So the answer is, a 3-year-old girl who hid in a sack while her mother was picking potato run over. What? Run over. What? Run over by a tractor at a farm in Karnataka. Okay. So this is question number E. So come to the next question. A tree is laying across the road. It's blown down. There's in the stone. So here past tense, it was. Okay. So and another question. The letter post a week ago. A week past tense ago. Ago is the past tense. So a letter was posted a week ago and it arrived yesterday. Next question. 2 people report injured in a bomb explosion at a factory in Kolkata early this morning. So here 2 people is the plural form and here this one is past tense. So the answer is 2 people were reported. Okay, so this is the answer of question number F, G and H. Okay, come to the last question. A new museum built in the city. Work started last year and the museum expects to open next year. So it is referring to present as well as future time. So here a new museum is being built in the city. Work started last year and the museum expects future time. So this is expected to open next year. Okay. Thank you very much. So now come to the next question. So here what is written? This is a paragraph. In the paragraph, some blank spaces are there and we have to use appropriate form of the passive of the verbs which is being given in the bracket. So now let us see. In Bhubaneswar yesterday, so the passage is in past tense. So see what is being given. In Bhubaneswar yesterday, a shopkeeper was forced to hand over rupees 10,000 after threatened by a man after being threatened by a man with a knife. The man escaped in the car which was stolen earlier in the day. Later the car was found in a garage where it abandoned. It was abandoned by the thief, a man who was suspected of being involved in the robbery, was arrested and questioned by the police. Okay, so this is the answer. Next come the state library damaged in a fire last Sunday. The fire which discovered at about 11 p.m. spread very quickly. Nobody injured, but 2 people had to rescue from a room upstairs. A number of valuable books, but it's not known how the fire started. So let us change the voice. The state library damaged, past tense, was damaged. Damaged in a fire last Sunday. The fire which was discovered at about 11 p.m. spread very quickly. Nobody was injured, but 2 people had to be rescued from a room upstairs. A number of valuable books were burned. This is plural form. So where? It's not known. This comes to the present. It is not known. It is not known how the fire started. Okay. So this is the answer. Rest 2 activities are there that you need to write down in your copy by yourself. And if you have any question, you can ask me. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice time.